In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert BTC to USDT on Trust Wallet. If your BTC and USDT are supported with Trust Wallet built-in swap service, you can convert them directly. So firstly, you can open any of the web browser, or you can go to the extension and you can open your Trust Wallet. After that, from here, what you need to do is click onto this swap here. So from the swap, you need to click onto this icon. And from here, what you need to do is you need to search BTC and select this BTC Bitcoin. And over here in the bottom, you need to select a token. And you need to select this USDT. And once you select this, you need to click onto this USDT here. And after that, you can simply enter the amount of BTC you want to swap. And click onto this enter amount here. And after that, you need to follow the on-screen instruction, review the exchange rate, network fees, and the amount of USDT you will receive. And after that, you need to select confirm swap and wait for the transaction to complete. And that is it. That is how you can convert BTC to USDT on Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.